Alright, so I've had a bunch of people talk about these tires here. These are the Blackburn white wall tires. And this one here, it has so much mileage on it. It's insane. Um, this one's toast. But in average, this tire right here, it costs about, I don't know, maybe $18, something like that at Walmart. These last so long, provided you run them at about 45 psi. You don't want them super rock hard or it just eats the center tread out like nonstop. I run them about 45 and the whole flat tread sits and they last forever. Get about 1,200 miles on one of these before it's completely toast. And for $18, you really can't beat that. Now, the other ones that they do make are a black one. There is an all black sidewall one. So you can find these. They're usually 20 bucks. So I've had super good luck with these. They're really rugged. The sidewalls don't blow out. And you get ridiculous freaking mileage on them. Now, if you want to step up one tire, check these out. So these are the CST Slick Road tires. They're e-bike rated. Okay. These tires are amazing. So if you got like a higher end build and stuff, these will hold up speed. I've had these going crazy. But anyways, what I wanted to say about these is the price on them. Now I've used hooked worms, all kinds of stuff. I got a couple videos. I'll link it in the description of all the different tires I've been trying. But these CST ones, oh my god, the price, it's like, I think $27 per tire. But right now, this is the front tire. I have 2,900 miles on this tire right here. And this is the back tire. It's pretty much toast at this point. There's no more tread almost. But this tire has 2,900 miles on it. What was it? I think average is 48 miles an hour. It was 58 gallons of fuel, 2,900 miles on it. So, not bad, but yeah, it's like right there. Just getting ready. But I'm about to take this off. This is why there's no air in it. And the other thing too, get yourself some slime tubes. Oh my god. I don't know how many times I've came home, had nails and stuff in my tire. And the places that they got nails in them, you would not want to walk home. But, yeah. So these are e-bike rated. I know, this thing's dirty. We're going to have to clean this all up. But, yeah, I mean, that's 2,900 miles. And I'm going to change it before the belts come through. But, just to give you a look at what the tread pattern looks like. And I'm going to change both these out, and I'll keep that as a spare. But, yeah. But, yeah, definitely, if you guys are looking for some tires, these Blackburns over at Walmart, I swear to God, ask anyone that's ever rode with them. 45 PSI, they last forever.